Hello and welcome to the Tom Melbourne STEM Design Thinking videos. My name is Marissa and in this video I'm going to introduce you to what's called the design thinking process. Now if you've never heard of it before, that's absolutely okay. By the time we're done with this video, by the time you're done with us when we visit you, you'll know exactly what the design thinking process is. Now I guess the question is, why do we have a design thinking process? Well, when you finally get your challenge for your Need Knower, you'll have to go through a process of understanding exactly what the challenge is. And then from there, somehow you have to take that to a final product that solves the challenge for your Need Knower. This will make more sense in a moment. Let's start with the first stage of the design thinking process then. So the first stage is to empathize. So just like I said, just being able to understand the challenge of your Need Knower, almost like as if you're in their shoes or you're seeing life through their eyes. That's empathizing. That's the first stage. Then from there, we define the challenge. And it's as simple as just understanding exactly what the challenge is for your Need Knower. And we've already done that part for you, so this is nice and simple for you. And so from here, this is where things get really exciting. So the next stage, the third stage of the design thinking process, is to ideate. Now, this word basically means to create ideas. So this is where you get to go as wild as you like and brainstorm ideas to your Need Knower's challenge. But here's the other challenge, or the other part that you have to consider. You need to somehow choose the best idea that solves your Need Knower's challenge, because then you as a team are going to take that idea and turn it into a prototype. Now in another video we went into this in detail, but basically a prototype, to refresh your memory, is a sample or a model. It could be something as simple as a sketch even. It's basically something that allows us to then test whether or not your solution solves your Need Knower's challenge. Now, if for whatever reason, and this happens all the time, even to the best industrial design engineers in the world, time and time again, at the testing stage, especially during the first stage of the design thinking process, there's bound to be some flaws that you identify, something that needs to be improved. And that's absolutely okay, and we expect this and encourage this. And so here, we say that there's a really good chance you're going to have to repeat this process between the blue ideate, the green prototype, and the orange test. And you're going to go through this process so that you can finally make this perfect prototype solution to your Need Knower's challenge. So let me repeat that again. In the design thinking process, you start with empathize, you move on to define, and then this is where you get into the crux of it, where you start with ideating, then prototyping your idea, and then testing your prototype, and then from there you want to improve it and keep going through that ideate, prototype, test phase until you get a solution that you're really happy with that actually solves your Need Knower's challenge. If you have any questions, we're happy to answer them when we come and visit you. Really looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.